Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset Comfast WR760AC Smart Wi-Fi extender in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. Resetting a Wi-Fi extender is necessary to fix connection problems, remove incorrect settings, or start fresh with a new network. It restores the device to factory defaults, making it easier to set up again without errors. This helps improve performance and ensures a smooth, stable Wi-Fi connection. Now plug the Comfast WR760AC into a working power outlet. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the device to boot. The power LED should turn solid, indicating the extender is fully powered. Make sure you do not press anything yet, the device must be in a stable state. Look for a small pinhole labeled reset on the side or back of the extender. It is usually near the Ethernet port or other physical buttons. This button is recessed to prevent accidental presses. Use a straightened paperclip, SIM ejector tool, or similar thin object that can reach the button. Do not use sharp or large objects that could damage the internal button. Insert the tool gently into the hole until you feel the internal button click. Press and hold the button continuously for 10 to 15 seconds. While holding, you may see LED lights start to blink, turn off, or change pattern. This indicates the reset signal has registered. After 10 to 15 seconds, release the button. The device will now begin the automatic reboot process. Do not unplug the extender during reboot, this can corrupt settings or firmware. The reboot process takes about 1 to 2 minutes. The LEDs will cycle during reboot, sometimes blinking rapidly, sometimes turning off and back on. Once the power LED stabilizes and the other LEDs show the normal pattern, the reset is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices help and support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.